This is the latest product lineup from OnePlus, the OnePlus Band, and this is the review of it. Hi, my name's Aditya and you're watching Canopus. I've been using this band for the last 6 days. Now wearing this band, I have gone for walks, for workout, for shower, and I'm gonna give you a detailed picture of it. Now let's get started with the positives first. The number one feature, the number one thing I liked about this band is actually a feature called Breathe. Now in today's world, people have stressful lives, stressful jobs, stressful everything. So that's why the feature called Breathe is very important. Now this feature as Breathe allows you to breathe slowly. Actually, it is a form of pranayam which lets you breathe slowly, and hence it's a mindful practice which makes you calm. See, the breathe feature is very important for the people who have stressful corporate jobs or stressful life. This allows you to breathe slowly and which makes you calm, and trust me, it really makes you calm. It has a default rate of 7 breaths in a minute, which I found to be perfectly normal. It's my first fitness band I've ever bought and it was very easy to use, especially the setup was very easy. Now talking about the setup, here is the one negative thing I found out about the user experience. Now see, there isn't much of a problem when it comes to the hardware thing, but the app which you have to integrate with, which you have to connect, is called as OnePlus Health, and trust me, the app literally sucks. The charts are so inappropriate, the measurements are not that right. Many times just randomly the bands get disconnected by the phone. The app is in early stages and it needs to develop a lot. SpO2 feature given in this band is not accurate, or I must say as accurate as these guys. You know, this professional grade oximeters, basically these are used to measure the blood oxygen level, and this thing does it via your fingertip. Measuring the oxygen level with the fingertip is actually ideal, and measuring it on your wrist is not ideal. I've actually tried this on my wrist as well as on my fingertip, and both of the time the results were basically similar, only one point of a difference. If you're someone who's thinking about to buy this band for just SpO2 level, then I will suggest you to not to go for it. Instead of that, you can get yourself these guys. These are more professional and these are more reliable when it comes to SpO2 reading. Now in the workout section, you have many options like indoor running, outdoor running, and fat burning exercises, cycling, swimming, and etc. etc. Now I would like to share with you guys the biggest downside of this band, or the biggest negative I found out to be. In today's world, people are more conscious about their fashion sense, how they look, how their gadgets will look on them, and because it's a wearable technology, you have to make it appealing to people. You have to make it beautiful in order to enhance their beauty, in order to enhance people's beauty. If you have any black theme on your watch, then only it will look good, otherwise it will just suck. I mean, I want you to look at this. On such a big chunky watch, there is a small screen. I don't know if you're able to see this or not properly, but it doesn't look that cool. Now there are a bunch of face options in the app itself, and you can set a custom photo which you like from your gallery on your screen directly. But that's the biggest downside of it. Because the screen is so tiny, you're not able to enjoy that custom photo which you have set. Considering the fact that it's a fitness band, the battery life is quite amazing. You can easily get 6 days, as in my case I got 6 days. And here is the sad thing about the battery. Charging this thing is pain in a... It is so difficult to attach this thing on the charger and to pull it off back when it's completely charged. It is just not convenient. When you're making a product that needs to be charged frequently on a regular basis of time, you have to make it more convenient for the end user so that they can use it convenient. Now to conclude this video in a nutshell, who should buy this watch and who should not? Now I'm very clear about it. If you're living a stressful life, if you have anxiety attacks, if you think that you need something to calm you down, this is the thing for you. Because of the super useful breathe feature, this can literally replace your medicines and save your life. I'm not bragging about it. If you're someone who is buying this watch for SpO2, don't go for it. Instead, get yourself these ones. I will post link in the description. If you're a OnePlus fanboy, you can still get this. If you're a fitness freak, this may help you, but Xiaomi's got the better options. Anyways, I will post links in the description below. Make sure you check out them. Charging this thing is very painful. So that were my thoughts on the new OnePlus Band. What do you guys think about this band? What are your thoughts on this band? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're a tech enthusiast. I'll see you guys next time.